bombs are heavy, there's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking out, everybody's joking now. The clock's run out, time's up, overblown. Snap back to reality, yo, there goes gravity, yo, there goes rabbit, he choked. He's so mad but he won't give up, that is he know. He won't have it, he knows, his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter, he's dope. He knows that but he's broke, he's so sad that he knows. When he goes back to his mobile home, that's when it's back to the lab again. Yo, this whole rhapsody, better go capture this moment and hope it don't catch it. Lose yourself in the music, the moment you want it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. The soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder, homie grows hotter. He blows, it's all over. These hoes is all on him. Coast to coast shows, he's known as the road trotter. Lonely roads, God only knows. He's grown farther from home, he's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, cause here it goes, the cold water. His hoes don't want him no more, he's cold product. They moved on to the next smo who flows, he knows